Venezuela's acting president Delcy Rodriguez is in India on a 5-day visit, and energy remains the big focus of her visit to India. Rodriguez, who is on a 5-day visit to India and has arrived here along with several of her major cabinet ministers, today met the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, followed by her meeting with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, during the meeting, it was energy, critical minerals, and pharmaceuticals that remained the major focus areas, according to MEA officials. Addressing a press conference after the meeting of Rodriguez with the External Affairs Minister and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, MEA officials said that India will buy oil from wherever it wants and Venezuela is an opportunity. During the press conference, Secretary East R. Tandon of the MEA further said that PM Modi said that India wants an energy partnership with Venezuela. He further said that Delcy Rodriguez on her part said that Venezuela sees India as a preferred partner. He further said that pharmaceuticals was discussed in detail during the meeting between Rodriguez and Modi. And during her visit, Rodriguez will be exposed to energy infrastructure in India. Now, this comes in the backdrop of Venezuela emerging as the third major exporter of crude to India in the month of May. It also shows that India is willing to create a long-lasting energy partnership with Venezuela. Days after the US Secretary of State Marco Rubio said that the US would want to sell as much energy as it can to India and that there were opportunities in connection with Venezuelan oil. While the opposition had questioned why it was Rubio who had announced Rodriguez's visit to India much before than any official from the Ministry of External Affairs or Indian government, it is now clear that the Indian government is looking at forging a long-lasting energy partnership with Venezuela, irrespective of any such criticism. In fact, Indian officials have highlighted that it was diversification of sources that they were looking at the moment, even as the West Asia crisis continues to cause shortage of supplies from the Persian Gulf. Rodriguez is now set to visit the Jamnagar refinery of Reliance Industries in Gujarat, and she'll also be visiting Andhra Pradesh subsequently. We'll keep tracking this major visit of the Venezuelan interim president in India. This is me, Shikha Salaria, reporting from New Delhi for India Abroad.